and observe this is checks pattern designs and with contrast border, so look gorgeous and amazing saree. This is based pure cotton based saree, and this is a catalog piece. You can get the catalog piece, some pieces 6 pieces, some pieces 7 pieces, 8 pieces like that, and each saree different from some other saree. They will provide different color and different design combination. Border also so beautiful and elegant border, and observe this entire saree is so beautiful and so heavy look, and this based on total lightweight cloth and soft cloth.
The most innovative and promising sari manufacturer company in Surat, Gujarat, I like to call Mr. Sunil Patil and Ishita House. So please kindly come on stage. Mr. Sunil Patil from Ishita House.
Friends, welcome back to Ishita's Factory Outlet. This is your host Sailaja, and today onwards I am going to show the collections of soft silk sarees, pattu sarees and Kanchivaram sarees, some beautiful collections. So don't be late, let's get start the video and see the collection. So friends, today I am going to show the collections of pattu collection, especially in Diwali collections, new collections. Here pattu sarees starting from only 300 to up to 2000 to 3000, and see here, this is a soft silk saree, and soft silk saree pure lightweight based saree, and so cloth is so soft and total weaving saree. Observe this border is so elegant and beautiful border, and two color combination of beautiful saree. See this, and contrast pallu with contrast blouse, and next collection is the two color combination of beautiful saree. This is red and golden combination with border also so beautiful and elegant border, and observe this entire saree is so beautiful and so heavy look, and this based on total lightweight cloth and soft cloth. Observe this border so nice, and golden zari with pallu, and blouse also golden zari with pallu combination. And the next collection is Kupadam saree collection. This is the Kupadam saree collection, and we have a Pochampalli saree collections, and this is based on so nice and unique collections. See this border also so nice and unique, and observe this purple combination with golden, and entire saree like this. This is the blouse part, and entire saree this is big border combination of saree, and most of the people like to wear this kind of saree and like to order this kind of saree. Why? Because now so trending this kind of sarees. And this is the pure Georgette based pattu silk saree, beautiful collections. This is, and color combination also so highlight, and blue with light green color, dark green color combination. See this is the pallu part, so heavy and nice combination, and this entire saree like this, and this is the bracket blouse and contrast blouse, and observe this is checks pattern designs and with contrast border, so look gorgeous and amazing saree this is. And next saree, so friends, next saree, see this next saree, this is the soft pattu saree. So many people like to wear this kind of saree. See this, observe this border, and so beautiful pallu part also, and small border lace also here available with stonework also, and the entire saree like this, and they will given the blouse in contrast based blouse, and see this border also so beautiful and nice combination of color combinations. So see this friends, next collection, beautiful collection. This is total on catalog based collection. This is the 8 pieces catalog, and observe this border and pallu pata also, and entire saree so beautiful than other sarees, and like to wear, so soft and elegant border, and this border is so fantastic and with contrast based, and observe this pallu, and blouse also so nice color combination friends. See this blouse also, and with small checks with flowers and multi shading contrast based blouse. And the next collection, soft silk saree. This is the soft silk saree. Somebody saying Malay silk sarees, and most of the customers like to wear. Why? Because this is so soft and so elegant border also, and observe this border also so beautiful, and contrast and bracket blouse also here available, and with small booties with highlight border combination of saree. And the next collection, we can see next collection. See this wonderful saree. This is the, why? Because this is pure Banarasi based saree with so nice color combination of multi shading color combination of thread work with Swarovski diamond work. This is the butterfly design with Swarovski diamond work, and this saree is so nice than other sarees friends. See this is the border, and observe this pallu also so elegant and beautiful, and entire saree like this, and entire saree like this, small booties with border. This is sequence saree and tone to tone sarees like this. And the next collection, this is the cotton based, pure cotton based saree, and this is the catalog piece. You can get the catalog piece, some pieces 6 pieces, some pieces 7 pieces, 8 pieces like that, and each saree different from some other saree. They will provide different color and different design combination. And this is based on khadi cotton and pure cotton based saree, total weaving saree with contrast combination of colors also. In this saree we will get the colors of light color combination. Somebody like to wear dark colors and somebody like to wear light color combination. See this next collection, pure Banarasi saree. This is the nice color combination of saree. Observe this total weaving with soft silk saree. This is heavy pallu combination. See this is the heavy pallu with border also so beautiful, then big border combination of border. See this big border, and ending part is big, and starting is small border combination. And see this entire saree like this border, so nice and so unique collection of this saree. Okay friends, if you wanted to start the new business, you directly contact with the Ishita House factory outlet, then only you will get the more and more profits. If you directly dealing with the wholesalers, then you will get the half profit. If you directly dealing with the manufacturers in dealers of the Ishita House, then you will get the more and more profits. Here minimum order starting from 25,000 to 30,000 here minimum order, and cash on delivery also available, and we have a transport facility in all over India friends. I hope you guys this video is so informative for you. For more details, contact our number given on the screen. Please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all new notification from our channel. Until then, we will meet in next video. Bye friends.